CoinDCX Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to CoinDCX are in the description below. Let's get straight to the details. CoinDCX is one of India's leading crypto investment platforms, offering a secure and beginner-friendly experience while also catering to advanced traders. With access to over 500 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins, it provides a solid selection for both long-term investors and active traders. The platform is known for its seamless INR integration, allowing Indian users to deposit and withdraw funds easily using UPI, bank transfers, and other payment methods. One of CoinDCX's standout features is CoinDCX Insta, which enables instant crypto purchases with INR, making it ideal for beginners looking for a hassle-free buying experience. For more experienced traders, CoinDCX Pro offers advanced trading tools, margin trading, and futures trading with up to 20x leverage, providing flexibility for different investment strategies. The platform's fees are competitive, and users can reduce costs further by holding and using its native token, DCX. Security is a major focus for CoinDCX, with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal whitelisting, and insurance coverage for digital assets stored on the platform. It also follows strict compliance regulations, ensuring a safer trading environment. Another key feature is Earn with CoinDCX, where users can stake their crypto holdings and earn passive income on supported assets. CoinDCX's user-friendly interface and educational initiatives like DCX Learn make it an excellent choice for beginners entering the crypto space. However, some users have noted occasional delays in customer support response times, which could be a minor drawback for those needing urgent assistance. Overall, CoinDCX is a well-rounded platform for anyone looking to trade or invest in cryptocurrencies, especially in India. It offers a strong balance of simplicity, security, and advanced trading features. If you're interested, check the description for links and more details.